A key point to understand in both sutra and mantra vehicles is the perfect equality of the Dharmadhatu. And when realizing this perfect equality, realization of the view of entities is crucial. Through familiarity with the key points of the view of the middle way beyond concepts and co-emergent great bliss on the path of mantra, you'll come to understand non-conceptual simplicity and the self-arising wisdom beyond the mind will dawn. When your familiarity with this becomes stable, all the phenomena of samsara and nirvana are perfectly equal, and the dharmakāya, the single all-encompassing sphere, dawns unobstructedly in your being. All phenomena are perfectly equal, and in perfect equality there is no acceptance or rejection. When you are confident about perfect equality, realization is set to reach its limit.